Hey y'all, it's Chimdi. Welcome back. So it's 16 Days of Black Panther, which is a series where we are just getting our whole minds, bodies, lives right for the release of Black Panther on February 16. Okay, so this video is a really quick DIY. So not just, your soul is ready for Black Panther, but your home is ready for Black Panther too. So it's a super quick, super simple art print that you can throw wherever you want in your home so people can come into your place and know like this is a place that recognizes the importance of Black Panther. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm starting this print in Microsoft Word. The font is Arial Black and the size is 70. So this style of print is inspired by the Audacious Women T-Shirts. It's those T-shirts that have like famous Black female heroes on them, like Sojourner Truth, Rosa Parks, etc., etc. So I thought it would be like a very fitting tribute for something as iconic as Black Panther, So just typing in the characters' names and adding a little ampersand to the end, no space in between the name and the ampersand, finishing off with a period. And what you want to go ahead and do is you want to shrink the line spacing a bit. So you want to make the line spacing 0.8. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and condense the characters by 3.5 points. And then go ahead and correct any spelling errors you might have. Listen, my name is Chimdi. I understand if you just struggled a little bit in typing up these characters' names. That's okay. As you see, we all make mistakes. So go ahead and just print that out. And now for the frame, you might recognize this one from my apartment tour. It's 8.5 by 11, so it perfectly fits a sheet of paper. So that's the one that I used for this art print. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out this busted old print that no one needs anymore and replace it with the glorious print of our main characters' names from the soon-to-be blockbuster hit Black Panther. And this is the final result, y'all. Doesn't it look so cool? It's really, really simple, but it looks so, so awesome and so iconic, and fits very, very well with my furniture, and I think with anyone's furniture if you love Black Panther. That's the video, y'all. Give me a like if you liked it. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and reflect to yourself about how you yourself are getting ready for Black Panther to enter your life February 16th, all right? And I will see y'all tomorrow. We're going to keep this going, all right? February 16th, we're going to keep this going. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of the awesome videos we're going to put out over the next few days so that we can just, as a community, celebrate Black Panther actually being real. Like, what a blessing. Okay. Bye, y'all. See you on the next one.